Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. I recently launched my new YouTube channel, Gokce Design, and I'm so excited about all the upcoming Photoshop tutorials that I'm going to be sharing with you in the upcoming weeks and months. To get you guys pumped as well, I decided to launch a fun little giveaway promotion. Here's how it works. On March 1st, 2022, I will randomly select one winner from the list of my favorite comments on this video and give them a free 1-year subscription to Adobe Photoshop. And of course, if you already have a Photoshop subscription, I can offer you a $100 Amazon gift card instead. So how do you enter the giveaway? Here are the 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Number 2, follow my Facebook page at Gokce Design. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Number 3, leave a comment on this video telling me why you would like to win a 1-year subscription of Adobe Photoshop. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to check back on this channel because I plan to make weekly Photoshop tutorials and I hope you'll find them valuable. Until next time.